Today we are studying with the second class of the program offered by the association, the Sicilian Program, and I would like to introduce you to all participants of this program. So, one by one, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Simone.
And what's your name?
My name is Letizia.
And what's your name?
My name is Francesca.
And what's your name?
My name is Dario.
And what's your name?
My name is Alessandro.
What's your name?
My name is Enrico.
And what's your name?
My name is Gabriele.
And what's your name?
My name is Gianmarco.
And what's your name?
My name is Ivan.
And your name?
My name is Simone.
And your name?
My name is Dario.
And your name?
My name is Antonio.
So guys, welcome to the Sicilian Project course, which will end in the end of December. You have a good start of your lessons. Ciao!
Bye bye.